Hello, my name is Vondelay Blake and I am going to demonstrate how to prime pump tubing for an Outlook ES Braun 100 machine. And then I'm going to set up an IV piggyback to run secondary through this IV line. And we're going to be using primary tubing and secondary tubing. Okay, so I've opened the bag and I've taken out the 1,000 milliliter of sodium chloride. I'm going to look at it, look at the expiration date. I'm also going to shake it, make sure that there's no cloudiness or anything disturbing or that's going to cause any problems in the patient. So I'm going to hang this up. Now I'm going to take my primary tubing. I'm going to open up the bag. You know, at this point, my hands and everything is already washed. So I'm going to remove the tubing from the bag, and I'm going to close off the tube. And you have to be careful and to make sure that these don't touch the floor or anything like that. Okay, so I'm going to remove the tube. And I'm going to spike the bag. You make sure that your fingers do not touch the tubing. Twist and turn. And now I'm going to prime the bag. Open up my tubing. Okay. Now that's primed. Okay, so I'm going to put the tubing inside the machine. Now we make sure everything is attached before closing. All the tubing is correct. And we turn the machine on. And the doctor's order is to run this 1,000 liter bag at 125 mLs per hour. New patient, basic infusion. I'm going to set it to 990, that way it alarms us early. So now I am going to prepare an IV piggyback to run secondary through the IV line. package. Here's our secondary tubing. Open up the bag and immediately I will close this. Be sure not to put your finger on either of these. And put it in the bag. Twist it. Primary should be hanging 8 inches below the secondary. I'm going to prime the bag. Clean the port side. And connect it. The doctor's order is to run this 50 ml bag in 1 hour. So I'm going to program the machine to piggyback. 50 is the rate, and then we're going to put 50 here. To run in 1 hour, and then I'm going to hit run. When this piggyback is finished running, the primary line will immediately start running. That's why we're not closing it, because once the bag finished, this one will immediately start dripping.